Hey there, guys. Glad you're back in action. Glad you guys have come back to see another amazing Pokemon revealed from the new expansion pass. This one, related to a legendary Pokemon. It's really amazing to look at. Tonight we're going to draw Gouging Fire. One of the new Pokemon from the hidden treasure of Area Zero. And he looks a lot like Entei. I don't really recall him having a huge horn next to his body. I've always wanted to draw this guy. There we are. One thing about this is one of the special features this guy has. Gorging Fire has a huge frill on the top of his upper body. And get this. This frill, it looks a lot like Pentaceratops. It's kind of amazing if you ask me. Entei with a Pentaceratops frill. I don't know how he came up with the idea, but this Pokemon, the creators of Pokemon found a way to create a new prehistoric-like Pokemon, and they gave it a Pentaceratops-like vibe. That was a great idea, creators of Pokemon. Definitely a great idea. There's his frill here, and done. Trust me, this thing is just getting started. We're going to draw the rest of him. We're going to draw this spike. Here's his feet. These new Paradox Pokemon, starting with this one, I'm starting to feel like I've done it. I feel like I've actually completed drawing the entire new Pokemon trio. The new Paradox Pokemon trio. Back during the Galar region expansion pass, Moltres, Zapdos, and Articuno had their own regional variants. And the creators of Pokemon decided to take things up to new heights. They gave the new legendary Pokemon new forms. Yeah, they started with Walking Wake, which was like Suicune, Iron Leaves, which was like Virizion. There's Iron Crown, which is like Cobalion. Iron Boulder, which was like Terrakion. They should do the same thing with the other mythical Pokemon. Their fourth member, Keldeo. After all, he's one of the Swords of Justice. Oh, man. Here we are. Oh yeah, speaking of Pokemon, the new Scarlet and Violet series has arrived. They're calling it Pokemon Horizons. And yes, I did draw the legendary Pokemon Terrapagos. Did you know that Terrapagos was revealed in the new anime series? It was really amazing, you know? Now, one last thing to draw. And that's the cloud sticking out of his back. It's amazing what the creators can do. There. There he is, everyone. Gouging Fire. The one that looks like the mythical Pokemon Pentaceratops. Well, Pentaceratops is one of my favorites. Alexa, what is Pentaceratops? Alexa, what did you say?
That was Flowers from Endless Summer Vacation by Miley Cyrus.
Yep. Alexa, what is Pentaceratops?
Pentaceratops is a genus of
Alexa, what is Pentaceratops?
Pentaceratops is a herbivorous dinosaur belonging to the genus of ceratopsid dinosaurs that lived during the late Cretaceous period in North America.
Yes, Dad, what is it? I'm fine.